Funny thing, from the first batch that I showed you there, 5 of the fish made it here through the sump tank and the pump, right?
Yeah.
But it was a miracle, but they're like triple the size. They're like this big, man. So
the ones who made it in here.
The ones who made it in here. Right now, the small ones that you see are the ones that I just put here yesterday.
Oh, okay.
I put them here yesterday.
I see them right there.
Yeah,
I see them right there.
Look at those. Down to the lava rock. It's the last step of the filtration.
Okay.
And then goes to the sump tank over here.
And then it comes to the sump tank. Okay.
Yeah. So I'm a little bit concerned about the sump pump size.
Okay.
Do you think I should go bigger?
The sump tank size?
Yeah.
What? How big is it? 55 gallons.
I was planning to buy a IBC toad and put them here, man.
Let me see. From your thing, how far does this go? That's about halfway.
Yeah, well, a bit like a third.
It's like a third of the way.
It's just a
55-gallon barrel.
Yeah.
This might be just. You could probably go a little bit bigger. I don't think it's that small. It might be just right on the point.
Oh really?
Yeah. You don't really need a super. Oh, go ahead.
I'm gonna have this both of these.
Oh, you got all these beds. Okay, yeah.
And the future I'm gonna.
Okay, yeah. Then I will go bigger then. Yeah. I didn't realize you had all this here too.
So the thing is that.
Yeah, I will go bigger.
Because, right?
Yeah, I will go bigger.
Yeah.
Because when the water that's gonna pull out of this, and it has to go through that.
So if you have a problem, you have a blocked line, and then the tank starts, filling a little bit more.
It starts pulling. Yeah.
And my pump is gonna burn.
Yes, I will go bigger then.
That's my only concern.
Yeah, I looked at the size of these beds. Yep. I will go bigger. Yeah. So I will put. That's the best bed to put like a IBC toad.
275 gallons.
Yep. Put it in there.
I'm gonna use let's say 220 gallons out of it.
Yeah, maybe something like that. Maybe not even that much. You might not even use that much, to be honest. But if you have it on the ground like this, you got a wide variety of space that you can use. You can use 200. You can use up to 220 gallons. It gives you the option to do it.
Okay.
So yeah, I would do that. Did you figure out your plumbing on how you're gonna return?
I'm gonna
this
go
probably
here.
Shouldn't be. Yeah, this.
I'm gonna go here.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna do an overflow there.
Okay.
And go to the other one, and then overflow here and go to something.
Okay. Yeah, I know you probably got the plumbing part. You probably got that down.
Yeah, that's the plan. But I was gonna do my plan was going with one. Well, my plan was coming with one conduit, right? Then split into 4, go to the 4 beds, and then on the other side, the 4 overflow and have a return in the center. But in one of the videos I saw, hey, you cannot do that because then you're gonna run out of nutrients.
If you talking about just run one and then try to connect all the way?
That was one of my plans.
Yeah, you don't want to do that way.
The second was I'm going in, split into 4.
Okay, if you come in, you split to 4. This one, this one, this one, this one, and you bring them all this way.
And then I have one return to the sump.
Yeah, you can do that. The one in the video I was referring to is if you try to put this here and then do that and then come out and then come all the way back. But if you do the other way, that's probably even better. The 4, split the 4, bring them all there. And
then I have a 3 or 4 inch return
to bring it back. That would probably be if you're doing 4, I would do that.
Oh really?
That's how I would do it. You can do that, or you still have the other option too. If your pump is not big enough, in here, connect to this one, bring that back, and then you split it two ways. Here, come back, and then this one comes back to the return, and then the same thing on the other side. Come all the way there, then come back, and then bring that one back too. Those are the 2 options that I would consider for that.
3 years ago, when I started as an electrician, didn't know how to work with a screwdriver.
Oh, okay.
Now,
I was just like, I know what you mean.
I had to learn everything on the way.
Yeah, I know exactly what you mean. I'm the same way. Didn't have no experience or anything with it, and I had to get out there and start learning
everything. But it's fun at the end of the day. You know, you're learning, you're doing everything by yourself, and you feel proud of it at the end of the day.
Yeah, absolutely.
When you look at this, when you're standing here, I remember the first day this was done because this was like a month ago. I had to invite all my friends here. Hey man, I need your help. You guys need to help me.
Yeah.
And this was tough. Doing these beds, putting all those stakes down, it was one of the toughest jobs that we had to do.
That you did, yeah.
And it was under the sun all day.
Oh yeah, because you guys did it last month. You said last month you did it?
Last month.
Oh man, yeah, it was burning up.
It was burning up, and it was tough. Yeah, and it's been really hot these couple of days. Wednesday I had a heat stroke working on a generator on a job. I was on a standby generator, and I had a heat stroke, man. Like on my side went very. I started almost vomiting, almost faint.
Yeah.
It was tough, man. It was tough. Keep cool. Keep cool.
Keep cool out there.
Yeah.
A lot of water.
Yeah.
Keep cool. All right, that's some good advice.
Yeah.
Man, you're determined, man. I can tell.
Yeah,
You're determined. You're gonna get this stuff done, man.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
You're determined, and you're running your other businesses too while doing this. Yeah, you're a determined man. See this? Yeah, you're gonna get this done, man. I want to see what this looks like once you finish it.
And then talk about bit filters and what I can do with that. If it's gonna be best or
yes.
because
For your system, I would definitely upgrade the filtration. If you want to do it like how you're doing it, the commercial way with the big stocking density and everything, I would upgrade the filtration to a bead filter. A bead filter or maybe even a drum filter. Okay. But I would probably stick with a bead filter. That's what I would do. Those things work amazing. Amazing. You're not gonna have any of these solids down here. And all this stuff that is important once you start stocking, your stocking density increases. This stuff right here is eating up oxygen in here, dissolved oxygen in here, and all this matters. All of it's gonna matter. So when the filtration is gonna be like the central portion, like the fundum, that's like almost like the heart of the system, because you need to remove all these solids out. Like you won't be able, you shouldn't have any of this in here. That's gonna be
that. You know, it was a lot less, but again, 5 of the fish came in there and made a disaster, man.
Right.
They're like.
So this would be good for like a hobby system. Okay. But I would invest in the bead filter. I would definitely do it for this.
I didn't know nothing about bead filters until I saw the video.
Yeah.
So I did everything
like this. I get you. Yeah, I got you. Yep.
So yeah, this is what it is.
Yeah, I would definitely.
And I'm sad because I've invested a lot of this.
In this, yeah.
With what I invested in here.
Yeah, I see. You
might have been able, at least pay for half of this.
Yeah, you would have. You probably would have.
So just to give you an example of light, how important is light for plants. I'm gonna take this, alright? I transplanted this to soil and to with light. Yeah. And let me show you how they're doing in the other side of the garden.
Let's see.
So look at this one. Same time. It's the same.
Yeah,
same time.
that's crazy.
Oh, nice.
That's a huge difference. Light is extremely important. It's a huge difference, man. It's amazing.
Yeah. I need to cut this actually.
You guys got
That's like basil?
I don't really eat basil. One time I ate basil.
Pesto sauce, really good.
Hey, that's messed me up. I think I think I cooked it wrong. And after that, I just messed. Like I was like, I can't do basil no more.
Yeah.
It smells good.
Yeah, I love it. I mean,
you eat basil, Carlos?
Yes, of course.
Yeah.
It's
you get some before
use a curry, soup,
everything, right?
a lot of things. It's amazing.
So yeah, man, I need to improve the light on
the lighting in there. Yeah, that's a big thing.
It's killing me.
Yeah, this one's huge. That's amazing. Healthy one right there.
So let me show you my fruit garden.
Oh, let's see it. Yeah. Let's see it. Let's see it.
You got a fruit garden.
I have peach, nectarines.
Now is that right? Come on, man.
They're still small. I mean,
we've been talking about this. Me and Carlos been talking about it. We're gonna get some trees.
I need to have trees, man.
Man,
You talking about getting a coconut tree?
just grab. Yeah. Just grab.
Life, man.
Man, got the gym in there. See, man.
We're doing the same thing.
You doing the same thing.
That's why I
fire pit. We're about to build a fire pit. We're about to build one.
Same thing, yeah.
Same boat. So this is blueberries. This is not doing too good. This is at least giving me new leaves.
Okay.
I need to transplant them because they have they like good draining soil.
Oh, okay.
So I put that up on potting mix.
Yep.
So I need to put on sand. And
okay.
Put some.
Oh, these are blueberries, man. We need to grow all of this too, man.
Blueberries. So this. Oh, look at this. You see me? Look. A lot of insects. They don't leave me alone.
Yeah.
Get out. And I think I have deers and stuff
coming through.
eating them.
Nipping on your
and
stuff,
rabbits, everything.
Rabbits, yeah, they come.
Man, it's been a war with animals in here. I had to make. I don't know if you saw the big match covers.
The one that you had over there.
I declared war on the squirrels, man. That's my winning trophy right there. That was the only way that I was able to grow peppers here because they love pepper plants.
Yeah, they coming in for your
bell
stuff,
peppers,
man.
and they were eating everything. So I did those and I won the war.
He said he declared war.
Yeah.
War on them.
So this is plum. It's doing pretty good. Yeah. So that's plum. This is peach.
Man, I would want to grow this.
And that's nectarines.
And the nectarine, I can eat all of those.
I had 10 papayas here.
Nice.
So here was like this big already. I was so happy, and then this winter came and destroyed everything.
The winter, yeah.
That's the only one that I have right now that's doing more or less. This one is dead. This one already died like a couple of weeks ago.
Man.
And it's just sad because you put a lot of time into
sad, man. Yeah, this is sad, yeah. This is sad. That's heartbreaking, man.
Yeah, you put a lot of time and effort in. The plan is to have the farm have a part of aquaponics systems and then have a little bit more on soil.
Soil.
So that whole area, because I have so much shade, I'm gonna plant just leafy greens all the way.
Okay.
So that's the plan.
Okay.
And then
yeah, you got a nice little plan that you got going on. You got a nice plan.
Yeah.
I see what you're doing. Get some tours.
Again, it's a lot of work, but
it's a lot of work. It's a lot of work, but there's a big reward at the end of it.
Yes, sir.
You stay persistent and keep going. I can see you're determined, man. I keep telling you that. I know a determined man when I see one. And you're determined.
Yeah. I have a goal set in my mind, man.
Yeah, I can tell.
If I don't do that, I'm not gonna be happy.
I can tell. Yep.
Yeah.
I can tell, man. So you didn't do none of this type of stuff when you were prior. You just came out here and just started learning everything as you...
Yeah.
You having flashback?
Yeah, I am.
Yeah, he's having flashbacks.
I did the same thing. I just said, y'all don't have no experience. I'm gonna just do it.
Yeah.
That's why I say I know.
And start going
when I see it.
Or you can, you know what? You put this on a pan, throw some salt, pepper, and a little bit of oil. And roast them. They get really sweet. But really sweet, and you can do a pizza, put this on top, and
yeah, like a topping.
Yeah, man, really good.
Yes. Okay. Or you say these would be hotter than cayenne peppers?
I would say, yeah, man.
Yeah.
They're pretty tough.
Dang.
I don't know.
Those are pretty hot.
You know, there's a scale to 1 million of the heat of
okay.
Peppers. You can take a look and see what they have.
And these are up there.
They're
habaneros are hot, man.
There, and the ghost pepper and whatever. I think the those are the 1 million. You eat that and you're dead.
And you're dead, huh? Yeah.
You're dead. Pepper, yeah.
Ooh, super fresh.
All right,
it's amazing.
This is the first one I get this big, man.
That's crazy.
I mean, I've been having troubles trying to grow stuff in here.
What's a normal size for it?
This?
Yeah, this is
that's about normal size.
Yeah, a little bit bigger sometimes, depending on the. I would say depending on the kind of stuff.
Fruits are amazing. How they grow all this out from a.
I never tried them raw. It smells good. It smells like melon.
It does.
Like yeah.
There's fur right there. Seeds.
Smells good. I want to bite the bite.
Yeah, you want to bite it and test it. Him too. He want to test it out too.
All right, guys.
Shout out to Andrews up in Lake Wells.
Lake Wells, yep.
Lake Wells. I always forget my S's. Always. We got his lettuce in here. We got his green, strong, powerful onions. Look how big these are. We got his tomatoes. Woo! Squash?
Squash.
Squash. Delicious. Thanks, Andrews.